Hello. Today, I'm going to show you how to populate a combo box with data step by step. First, we have a sample video. The combo box you see on the screen is currently filled with book titles. This is just an example, but you can integrate different data sets into your combo box using this method. Now, let's explore together what a combo box is and how to fill it with data using this simple example. Now, we've opened our project in Visual Studio or a similar development environment. We drag and drop a combo box and a label from the toolbox onto our form. Then, we add the text, book, to the label. We use the Properties panel to change the name of the combo box to CMB list. The next step is to right-click on our project in the Solution Explorer, select Add, and then choose Class from the options. In the opened window, we name it Book in the Name section, creating a class that includes title and ID information for each book. As a first step, we create a list of books, naming it Books, and add 5 different books to it. Next, we list our books again using the toList function. This process converts the book list into a data source, allowing us to add it to our combo box. In other words, this step transforms our book list into a data source that we can use within our combo box. Then, we specify the displayMember property to set each book's title property as the text displayed in the combo box. Finally, we set the valueMember property to designate each book's ID property as the background value when a book is selected in the combo box. So, our combo box is now filled with data. Now, let's move on to the next steps. Continue watching the video to find out what happens when a book is selected in the combo box. Now, we're addressing what happens when a book is selected in the combo box. We're using the SelectedIndexChanged event of the combo box to perform this action. First, we convert the selected book into a book object. Here, we retrieve the selected item in the combo box using the cmbList.selectedItem expression. Then, we convert this item to a book class using the as keyword. Later on, we display the details of the selected book in a message box. So, when a book is selected in the combo box, we display the ID and title information in a message box. And that's it. Now, let's summarize the steps we've taken with a quick demo. Our combo box is currently filled with 5 different books. Let's select a book and see what happens.